I left the Swatara Gap Iron Bridge. I was traveling up Route 443 in the Pine Grove, and I noticed the old Forge Road. And for many years I said, I want to find out what is down the old Forge Road. Well, I knew that the reservoir, the Lebanon Reservoir, was in around there somewhere. So I took it. And then I ran across this furnace, Swatara furnace, and I remembered the Wandering Woodsman did a video on here. I said, yeah, I remember that. Yeah. So I thought, well, I'll put one on. But before I get nearer to there, I'm going to show you this tree. One of the larger trees in Pennsylvania, the American linden. I also found another tree that I wasn't very familiar with either, and that is the gum tree. Found that this morning. So let's go and check out the furnace. The iron smelt. Where they burnt the iron down. Goes up through there to the main, I guess, main fire room, and this probably was an air vent. I remember the Wandering Woodsman pointing out that white is the remains of the burning of the iron. Let's see if I can't go up, get up here. That goes way up in there. There is what I said was probably the air vent. So yeah, pretty neat. Give you an idea how high that is. Yeah, very good. So, I took the Old Forge Road, went through the village, I guess, of Old Forge, found Swatara Furnace, had my lunch, and walked up to the reservoir, Lebanon Reservoir. Walked in, I guess, half a mile. And it's worth at least a couple of minutes of video. Not only for its scenery, for its quietness. I'm not hearing birds. I see a couple butterflies. When I was down in Swatara Gap State Park parking lot, and I was talking to a gentleman who down there weed whacking the grass, who works for the Swatara State Park. He had said that they're going to close this area off because there's just too much swimming going on and too much camping going on and too much litter going on. So maybe that's another reason why, at least, to make a couple minutes of video. And you can see that it is a really nice place. Of course, they really don't want us up here. I had been up here maybe 15 years ago. I came in from Gold Mine Road and got up into here and took a trail, and I walked and each time I said I ought to turn around, I didn't. Went around another bend, run around another bend, figured 10 more minutes, I'm going to have to turn around. And then I came across a village. I had no idea where I was. There was a guy cutting his grass. I said, I'll give you $10 to take me back to my car that's on Gold Mine Road parking lot. And he said, okay, sure. And it was a good ride back. Yeah, I went a little bit too far that day. So I'm never going to find, I don't think I'm going to find, unless I go up the Gold Mine Road. But it might be one of those ventures that I don't take. I just leave it go. So, if anything, you know, it's a nice scenery up here.